Ampcus Cyber Daily News Bulletin. Let's dive into the cybersecurity headlines of the day. North Korean hackers deploy new Golang malware Durian against crypto firms. Ohio lottery ransomware attack impacts over 538,000 individuals. Malicious Python package hides Sliver C2 framework in fake requests library logo. FIN7 hacker group leverages malicious Google ads to deliver NetSupport rat. Malicious Go binary delivered via Steganography in PyPI. FIN7 uses trusted brands and sponsored Google ads to distribute MSIX payloads. Your security is our priority. Stay informed, stay safe, stay with us. Ampcus Cyber, your go-to source for the latest cybersecurity news across the globe.